Are you saying croissant the wrong way? Is it croissant, croissant, or something else? Let's finally clear the confusion. In this video, you'll learn the correct way to pronounce croissant step by step, in simple English. Let's get started. First, here are some ways people often get it wrong. Croissant. Croissant, croissant. These are common, but they're not the correct way to say it. The word croissant comes from French, so the pronunciation is a little different. Let's break it down together. In French, it sounds like croissant. The first part, croix, becomes croix. And the second part is sant, not sant. Let's say it slowly, croissant. One more time, croissant, well done. In American English, you might also hear croissant or croissant. These are not wrong, just more relaxed. But if you want to sound more natural or more like a native French speaker, use croissant. Let's try both. Croissant, croissant. Great work. Now let's practice using croissant in a sentence. Repeat after me. I'd like a butter croissant, please. One more time. I'd like a butter croissant, please. Here's another one. She baked fresh croissants this morning. Now you try. She baked fresh croissants this morning. Awesome job! Now you know how to say croissant the right way. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more fun English lessons, and comment below with a word you want to learn next. See you next time.